Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. This video is dedicated again to the irregular verbs in English. And in this video we'll have a look at the irregulars from 51 until 60. So 10 more irregulars in another Begrepen.be video. Stay tuned. So why do we need to bother with these irregular verbs? Why should we learn them in the first place? It's because irregular verbs are everywhere in English. Some of the most used verbs in English are irregulars, so sadly we don't have a choice. That is why we've created this video series. In every video we'll teach you 10 irregular verbs at a time. You will learn how to pronounce them and also how to write them. Grind, ground, ground. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Keep, kept, kept. Let's repeat those. Make sure to try along with me. Grind, ground, ground. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Keep, kept, kept. That's 10 more irregular verbs you now know. Make sure to keep on practicing. Good luck! That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for a next Begrepen video.